Are you looking for the best spinning reels for bass fishing in 2023? Look no further. In this video, we will take a look at some of the top spinning reels on the market that will help you catch more bass and improve your fishing game. From advanced technology to durable construction, these reels have it all. Whether you are a seasoned angler or just starting out, this video will help you find the perfect spinning reel to take your bass fishing to the next level. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about the best spinning reels for bass fishing in 2023. Number 1. Abu Garcia Revo SX Spinning Reel. The Abu Garcia Revo Premier is possibly the best reel for bass fishing and is our best overall choice. It gives you everything you need from a spinning reel, including a durable body and a machined aluminum spool for excellent line control. The 11 stainless steel ball bearings are paired with a C6 carbon body and an X-Craftic gearbox to give the reel a smooth, reliable cast. Once you hook into a fish, this reel truly shows why we chose it. Gearing system provides precision machined gears for unparalleled smoothness and durability. The carbon matrix drag system gives you consistent, smooth, and strong drag across the entire drag spectrum. That level of smooth control paired with the durability built into the reel itself makes this fishing reel the perfect choice for those looking for a long-lasting, high-quality spinning reel. Number 2. Lew's Mach 2 Speed Spin Spinning Reel. Lew's has an excellent track record for making durable, long-lasting fishing reels. The Mach 2 Speed Spin Reel is proof of this. It offers a lightweight feel for long hours on the water while backing it up with a robust C40 carbon rotor. The 10-ball bearing system keeps things running smoothly, while the fast retrieve is perfect for casting topwater baits. The bail is stainless steel and provides a well-balanced feel. The gears are brass and come equipped with a zero reverse anti-reverse bearing. Reviewers have praised the line management of the spool. Some negative reviews noted a weaker than average handle that may crack at the base. For the budget-minded, this is the best base spinning reel that should last a long time. It's an excellent option for a beginner angler who wants quality without the price tag, and that is why it is one of the best reels for bass fishing. Go with the 300 size for the most versatile spinning reel. Number 3. Penn Battle Spinning Reel Kit. Striped bass live in saltwater. The Penn Battle 2 is built for catching bass. The body is full metal, meaning it's not going to corrode from the saltwater. The drag is incredible, coming in at a hefty 25 pounds. There are 6 stainless steel bearings sealed and protected from the elements. Instant anti-reverse provides you the ability to pick up the fight instantly without any delay. Stripers are bigger, more aggressive bass that need a bigger, more aggressive reel. The ultimate saltwater fishing reel for them is the Penn Battle 2. You won't get much better than this for the price point. It works in freshwater as well, though the weight of the reel can be a bit overwhelming. The design keeps the corrosive effects of saltwater at bay, keeping your base reel working flawlessly for years. It is always important to rinse your reels when saltwater fishing. That helps keep them in pristine condition. Number 4. Shimano Vanford F Spinning Reel. The Shimano Vanford F provides a powerful body without sacrificing weight or size. The low weight makes it an ideal reel for bass fishing. You can fish for hours with this reel. While this reel is indeed an exceptional piece of equipment, it's also the most expensive on the list. The inner workings of this fishing reel have been fine-tuned to the point of near perfection, with wobbles and gaps nearly eliminated. That means you're going to be casting farther and avoiding line twists due to reel issues. With amazing strength and durability, the Hagane gear is at the very heart of the reel. Shimano, through the application of state-of-the-art technologies, gives you the long-lasting smoothness and pleasure that you feel when you first use a reel, over and over again. No cutting work is applied to the teeth of the drive gear. Overall, this may be the best spinning reel for bass fishing on the list. It's in second place solely due to its high entry price. Number 5. Okuma Helios Lightweight Spinning Reel. The Helios is a great fishing reel. Coming in at just 7 ounces, this lightweight, durable reel offers many features usually only found in much more expensive reels. The 3000 size is a good choice for targeting giant bass. The 8-ball bearings that are corrosive resistant means you can use this spinning reel in both fresh and saltwater. Be sure to rinse your reel thoroughly if you do use it for saltwater fishing. Stripers won't stand a chance if you keep your reel in top working condition. The Okuma Helios comes in multiple sizes, with lighter and heavier options available. For bass anglers, the 30 or 3000 size is the perfect fit. Okuma Helios SX spinning reels combine advanced design and C40X long strand carbon fiber construction to deliver fantastic handling with exceptional strength for freshwater and inshore saltwater fisheries. The machine cut brass pinion gear keeps the Helios SX extremely smooth.